Hello guys who support my channel ESP Education. Today I have new topic to present you. It is a really useful and interesting one. Okay, the topic today is transferring fund in QuickBooks Enterprise Solution. The first, I suggest you all please subscribe bell on my channel ESP Education for more useful and advantage video. Okay, don't forget subscribe bell ESP Education. Okay, the topic today is transferring fund in a QuickBooks Enterprise Solution. Okay, many transaction in the company operation. So sometimes we have the case transaction and some non-case transaction. But what is the important mean that all the transaction always have the inflow and outflow case. So some department can be face shortage and some exits or surplus, get the surplus fund in the account. So how to manage all the account when they face or intercount this problem in that the shortage and surplus in fund to practice in the department. Today I just explain you how to transfer from the case or case account to PT case, and from checking account to PT case only, and the others after I explain you for this knowledge. I hope that you can get more knowledge about it. Okay, how to record the transferring transaction in QuickBooks Enterprise Solution if we are accountant. Okay, it is not difficult or not easy for you. If we don't know, okay, it's so difficult, but if we know it is easy. Okay, you just turn on your QuickBooks Enterprise Solution as my platform, and then you move your mouse to the header and find the folder banking. Right, you see banking here, BANKING, banking, and then you click on banking folder and find the option phrase. Sorry, it's so down today. Okay, banking, and use select transfer fund, and then you see the platform transfer fund. The date talk about it means that you record the date of transaction happen. So for example, 10/9/2019 means that October 9th 2019 the transaction is occur. Rings. Okay, for transfer fund from mean that you want to transfer from this account to the other account, right? Okay, for example here I just transfer from the case account to case account which has the balance 56,280, and I want to transfer some money from the amount balance to PT case, right? I just choose transfer fund to PT case with balance account balance of PT case now only 500. Okay, and then I want to transfer amount mean that you type the amount that you want to transfer. For example, I want to transfer $500 here, and memo is the place which we can remark or describe about transaction. For example, I just describe the transaction is fund transfer from case to PT case, right? Okay, and then I just save close if we have only one transaction, but if we have other transaction, we just click on the button save new, mean that you save time to open this option, mean that you don't want to choose banking and fund transfer again. because or transfer fund, sorry, transfer fund again, because it in this platform. For example, here I want to transfer from the checking account, mean that I want to transfer from account bank to PTK. So I choose the transfer fund from checking account, and I want to change that, for example, tomorrow 10, okay, and transfer fund to PTK. So you know, the first the account balance of PTK only 500, but after we transfer from the case account before this transaction, so the account balance of PTK change to $1,000. Okay, for this checking account balance 17,450, and we want to transfer to PTK's case account with account balance now only 1,000 with 200, right? Okay, 200 transaction, and memo we just describe about transaction, mean that you transfer from what, from banking account, right, bank's account to PTK, and then we say close for complete all the transaction, or we just want to see the other, or want to do the other transaction, we just click on save new, but I just want to show you only transfer from the case account to PTK and checking account to PTK, so I save and close, and then I click on save anyway, and then the transaction is recorded. We want to verify that all the transaction is right or wrong. We just move our mouse to the header and find the folder report here. You see, REPORTS report, and then you choose the option phrase accountants and taxes. Accountant and taxes. You see, accountant and taxes mean that first is report, the second is accountant and taxes, and the last one is journal, right? Report and then tax, sorry, the first report, second accountant and taxes, and the last one is journal. So we click on journal, so all the journal as you want to determine the calendar for the transaction, but default program only talk about this month transaction. So if we want to change this date, you just click on the calendar and move the date and the year, okay? Or if you want to see only this transaction in this month, you just click button OK, and scroll down to the last, and the first we transfer fund from case to PTK $500, and the second from the bank account to PTK $200. Okay, mean that when we transfer from case to PTK, the case is decrease and PTK increase, and from the checking account or bank account to PTK account banks or checking account, it decrease and PTK's account increase. Mean that case PTK and checking account categorized in current asset. So when they increase in debit and decrease on the credit. Okay, so case decrease 500 credit and PTK increase 300. Case decrease 500 and PTK increase 500, and checking account increase 200 and PTK increase $200. Okay, when we want to edit, you just click on it, double click on the transaction that you want to change. For example, you want to edit the amount transfer 300, right? 300, and you don't want, or you don't need to click on recalculate because it's easy. No, just save and close. So and click on yes. So the save anyway, the transaction move from 200 to 300. Okay, and when you want to delete, you just double click on it, and then you choose you mean that you move your mouse to the header and find the folder edit edit and click on edit and choose the phrase option delete transfer. So you click on it and you click on button OK. The transition is clear. But if you don't want, you just click on OK. If you want to delete, you just edit and delete transfer. Okay, so the transaction is deleted. You see, so the fund transfer from checking account to PTK is deleted, right? You see only 500 transaction mean that you transfer from cash account to PTKs. Okay, I hope you all know clearly about how to record and how to edit and how to delete the transaction if you record wrongly in QuickBooks Enterprise Solution. And the last minute, I suggest you please subscribe on my channel ESP Education to get more useful video. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Goodbye. Good luck.